Joe, the chickens are gonna love that. Last one, a little tippy one.
All right, here's a look at our operation. If it was easy, everyone would have it. Hey guys, Kapper here, welcome back. So this is another basically live view from our Missouri farm today, September 4th, and this was mostly today's activity. Granted, it was over a 2-day span, but join me and Sharon in the field. She took a week off of work to help me get ready for deer season for our clients. Speaking of clients, if you are interested in like a really high, once-in-a-lifetime class of hunting, we might have 1 or 2 spots here this fall. We are in Southern Missouri, kind of in the Rolla, Missouri area. Anyways, let's get some fresh air and spend some time with me and Sharon. We're going to show you how we build these banks blind deer towers, and we're going to have a little fun together, of course, and enjoy some time out in the field. So join us vicariously. So let's get into it.
This little pontoon thingy has its own ecosystem living inside of it, so while he has the forks on, I'm going to have him just lift it up and we can keep it on its side. We have no idea. There's probably a great big hole in the bottom of it. Or maybe now it has a hole. I don't know. Oh yeah, I didn't think of it. There's probably a rudder underneath it. Oh, look at that. Ooh. All right. I don't see any cracks. But I'm pretty sure it ain't seaworthy. Look at all that water in there. And that's just in the frame.
Okay, so the first step with 2 people is getting stilts under it. We got 8-foot 4x4s. It is so much easier with 2 people as opposed to 1. So here I'm gonna call for Sharon and say, okay, you're up. So I'm gonna lift it up and angle it, and she's gonna put these posts in and we'll get them stood up this way.
I wasn't exactly thinking this would be the place for the chicken coop, but I can live with it. Last one. For the day. A little tippy one.
Right, we got 3 of them stood up. That's an accomplishment. These pallets are going in the burn pit. Definitely progress. Maybe where we're going to call it for today. It's getting hot out in the afternoon now. I know Sharon's like, I'll work in the mornings and help you. So at least we were able to get them stood up. I'll take that as progress. And then tomorrow morning we could probably get after them. This burn hole is ready to go, but we've been in a drought. Been in a pretty serious drought, but a little progress. All right, here's a look at our operation. If it was easy, everyone would have it. Sharon's off work for over a week, and we're picking away at these deer blinds. So it's a process, but it's fun to be out in the field making progress. Cool morning. It was like in the 50s this morning.
It's like 70.
Yeah, no, I need a sweatshirt.
No, when I was up at 5:30, then it was in the 50s.
Oh, where was I at 5:30?
Where do you think you were? A little warmer under the covers, ain't it?
Yeah.
Joe, the chickens are gonna love that. Crawling up there, yeah. We just gotta make sure the stairs are.
How much do the chickens pay?
In eggs?
It's gonna need a lot. They're gonna need a lot of eggs.
Uh-huh. And then there's a slight startup cost.
Oh yeah.
But you know all about them startup costs.
Alright, so here's where we are. Sharon's going to get more measurements off of last year's. We got the porch on these 3. We got them cross braced. So far so good. We got to relearn that ladder, how we made it last year, and then just figure out if we need to get some more lumber or not, but it's good progress. All right, getting the fall plots ready. There's a little bit of clover chicory that's survived this drought, but a lot of it I went and burned off. I'm just gonna go ahead and plant. And the stuff I did not burn off, I'm hoping is going to come back. It's got a root system. First we had too much rain, then not enough, go figure. But man, I feel so good getting them blinds close to being ready. That was one I was not looking forward to. So more good progress. Out of diesel, so I'll work on this house plot, and then when I get too low on fuel I can call it in for today and refill. But I sprayed all this off a 3 weeks ago now, so I'd be ready for fall. But man, they're saying maybe a little rain, but Forecast is like 6% chance of rain. We got a little tiny sprinkle this morning, might be just enough for the clover to stay alive.
Okay, stairs. This one's different, but $24. These are 8-inch boards. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stairs. And then the railing and the stairs itself. Alright, let me go over here. Alright, for this one, from top to bottom is 10 feet. And it's an 8-inch. And then just all these little blocks here. The railing is 4-inch. And all right, we need more. We need more treads on this. This is way too far apart. All right, and this one has a 8-foot rail, and yeah, these are way too far apart to step up. These are at 14 inches. I'd say we need probably 12 inches. That's way too steep. I mean, way too much of a step.